I'm Amaryllis. Today I will show you 3 ways to make Papel Picado with tissue paper. It's a very easy craft for kids or growing up. To make the Papel Picado, you will need tissue paper, any color you like, scissors, rope, twine, yarn, something to hang the paper banners, paper clips, and a glue stick. You will also need the templates. I will show you in a minute. We will start with the easy Papel Picado that kids can easily make. And this one is without template. Grab a few nice colors. You have to cut the tissue paper the size of regular paper sheet. With this is A4 format, a little bigger, it's perfect. Then you take the tissue paper, you fold it in half. You can use several paper layers at the same time, so you can make several banners at once. Then you will fold in half again, and then again. And this part will be the top, and this one will be the bottom. And you start by cutting a nice shape at the bottom. It could be a half circle or a tip, as you want. And then along the fold you will cut geometrical shapes. As you can see, it's very easy. Now you open it, and you don't want to cut along the edge, so you will cut this part, geometrical shapes again. So this is what it looks like. You can see it's very easy, even little kids can do it. And now you will open the paper, and you have a simple but nice Papel Picado. To hang it, you will cut a piece of rope, apply some glue here along the edge. You place the twine, the yarn, the rope, whatever you have to hang the banner, and you fold over. And you can hang the banner wherever you like. Obviously you can make the garland as long as you want. Just make more sheets of Papel Picado. The second option to make a nice Papel Picado is to make a sugar skull shape or a calavera. The link to download the free template is on the description. So you print the template on a A4 paper sheet, and as previously, you wrap tissue paper, more or less the size of the sheet. It can be a little bigger. And you can use several layers of tissue paper to make a few Papel Picado at once. and you fold the tissue paper in the center. Try to align the edges more or less. Okay. This is the template, and as you can see, you have dot line is where you have to fold, and regular line is where you have to cut. And you will start by folding the template in the center, following this middle line. You place the template on the tissue paper. The fold of the tissue paper are aligned with the fold of the template. And I like to use paper clip to hold all paper layers together. You will first start by cutting the skull shape. And you will start by cutting the shapes that are along the middle folds. So once the shapes along the central line are cut, you will cut the teeth. So fold along this line. You cut the rectangular shapes. And then you will fold following this large diagonal. And then you will cut the flower petals, the eye, and this flower. And next you will fold following this diagonal, cut the shape along it, and so on until all the shapes are cut out. This is what you have when all the shapes are cut out. And you open it, put the template aside, and this is what you have. To hang the skull, it's the same as previously. Take a piece of rope, you apply a little glue here on this flap. You fold the flap over and ready. You can of course make a garland, and you can combine the different style of Papel Picado. The third way to make a Papel Picado, it's also with a template. It's a more classic design. You have flowers, butterfly, and candles, and it's the same as previously. So you take nice colors of papel that you want to use. You place them on top of each other and you fold them in half. You do the same with the template. You fold it following this line, and as in the previous template, you have to fold following the dot line, and you have to cut following the plain lines. For this template, it's important that you had a little tissue paper left over here above to make the fold and to be able to hang the paper banners, and a little paper here at the bottom so you can cut the paper with scallop shape or tip shape to finish nicely the Papel Picado. I'll show you in a moment. So all layers of paper are on top of each other and the fold are aligned on this side. You will have to start cutting the shapes that are along the fold here. You can also use a paper clip to hold all layers of paper together. It's easier. Oops. Then you have to fold this line. And you cut all the shapes along this line. Open it and then fold following this line. You will cut the butterfly and this shape. And fold this diagonal, and you only have to cut this shape here. And then to finish the design, you will have to fold along these vertical lines one by one, obviously. And then you fold along this one. And last fold here. And you can check that you cut all the shapes. And it's time to remove the template. And you want to give the Papel Picado a nice finish, so you can fold this. So be careful to cut only the bottom, this, and I will this time make a tip. This is how the design looks like. Take a piece of yarn, apply some glue here along the edge, place the yarn on it and fold. And that's how the Papel Picado looks like. And I want to show you an extra tip how to store the Papel Picado so you can use it several times. Just fold the garland like that. Use a folder, and depend on the size, you can put it here, and it's too big, you just fold it in the center. and you can pile up your Papel Picado garlands and save them for the next use.
You can mix and match the different Papel Picado to create nice banners. Have fun crafting, please like and follow for more DIY ideas.